Hey guys, I just got a parcel in from Temu. I've been waiting weeks and weeks and weeks for it. Finally came in. It's not much, it's just some craft stuff basically. I bought some stuff for making some homemade buckles and barrettes and barrettes or whatever he calls them. Um, I'll show you guys. I don't even have it open yet, it just came. I'm hoping it's everything I thought it was. Oh, I also bought these leather flowers. I'm going to make like a little centerpiece for my table. Look how pretty those are, guys. Oh my god, those are nice. And they got like metal stems. That's nice. That's going to make a nice centerpiece for my table. There's not very many in a pack though. There's have to be a little bit more, but oh well. I'll add them to regular flowers. Oh, and I bought these. They're supposed to be Valentine ornaments. These, I think they're glass or plastic. But at Christmas time, I was online and I seen people with like trees decorated with pink ornaments and white ornaments, but it wasn't for Christmas. They had like hearts and flowers and ribbons and stuff like that, and it keeps it up all year round. They look really pretty. So I said I might get like a smaller tree, have it decorated with pink ornaments. So I got these, and like I said, I got lots of ribbon and stuff like that, and put up as just a nice decoration in your house all year round. It's not gonna be a big full tree, but like if I can get a smaller one, like a white tree or something. Here's some of the buckles I ordered. Like I said, you can always fasten stuff to those. Let's see what else is there. Oh, I ordered more pens with my channel on them too. I'm hoping these turned out okay. I haven't looked at them yet. Let me see. Yep, seems fine. Yep, they're good. There's a whole stack of them down there. There's a load of them. Let's see. I bought these for making keychains, homemade keychains. These are cute. You can see where they attach on little chains hanging off them. And these are like little charms for sticking on keychains too. These are for Christmas time, so I'll use these for making Christmas keychains. Or I can put these on the buckles too. They could be for anything. But like I said, I bought stuff to make buckles and keychains and stuff like that with. Like little knick-knack crafts that I can do. There we go. There's the little clips for putting in the back of your head. Barrettes or whatever he calls them. That's the small ones. Okay. Now there was 3 sizes advertised and I grabbed this one. You can get bigger sizes. I think I might get bigger next time. But I'm going to try making some homemade buckles and keychains and stuff. I've seen some being made. Oh, there we go. I did order some bigger ones. There's the bigger ones. And let me see. I feel there's 2 more items in there. I can't remember everything I ordered because it's been so long. Oh my god, those are way smaller than I thought. But they can be attached onto the buckles too. Make some nice buckles. And oh, those are nice too. Nice jewels stick on the buckles. And that's it for the order. I just wanted to make a quick little video and show you guys. This is all like little craft ideas and stuff you can do for yourself too if you want to. I was thinking I could make these buckles and keychains and stuff like that just as a pastime, as a little knick-knack, and you could put them as stocking stuffers too.